That's how they were able to get the locations of all labs. Stolen from Dr. Hunter.
He was working on an experiment to turn my liquid injectable version of the cure into a powder, so it could be released over populated areas via helicopters, planes, drones even. I could manufacture a highly concentrated powder right here on the ship. We wouldn't even need labs.
People could breathe in the cure.
It would be very much like crop dusting. Mass inoculations without glassware, needles, all the infrastructure that we no longer have.
You think Hunter was actually able to do it?
I know that he has some good results aerosolizing the measles vaccine, but I won't know until we get down to his lab in Florida. The formulas are locked away on his computers.
Absolutely not. It's a long shot, and we've got bigger fish to fry right now.
Bigger fish? Oh, by that, I assume you mean revenge.
By that, I mean we're not going anywhere until we take out that sub.
The man who killed Hunter, her accent, it was Irish, right?
Yes.
Means the sub-commander has people on the ground. Achilles was 200 miles offshore when it launched on the labs. No way they were able to slip back and forth between Florida.
Dr. Hunter's lab location was hidden on the secure server. The bastards never got the flash drive from their man.
So how'd they find it?
It doesn't matter. Whoever killed your friend is long gone by now. This is a wild goose chase.
All you care about is... Have you forgotten what we're all doing here? Find the cure. Save the world. Remember? Easy peasy, the new Ford C-Max with hands-free tailgate to help you go further.
You're acting so funny. What's wrong, Billy?
My doctors.
Attract the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.
You feel great, like you always have. Then one day you notice your skin is changing, losing its elasticity. New Neutrogena Elastic Boost with Norwegian formula and minerals. It helps restore skin's elasticity in just 10 days. Your skin will look as great as you feel. Visibly renew Elastic Boost from Neutrogena.
Dogs have always had subtle little ways of telling you when something's wrong. But with gum disease, it's not that easy. So Pedigree developed Dentastate. Just one chew a day could help reduce tartar buildup by up to 80%, reducing the risk of gum disease, letting him get on with the really important stuff.
Have a gadget, darling.
It cleans my room, tiny.
Well, it won't clean your clothes, will it? Go get some detergent. Don't forget softener.
New Bolt 2-in-1. Wicked.
Bold 2-in-1 pearls with a touch of velour. So clean and fresh.
Mission complete.
Mum. People think a Burger King meal costs more than $3.99, which gave me this idea. How much would you pay for this meal? $5.49. Deal.
Wait! What are you two doing? What are you doing?
Don't be fooled. Try the new long deluxe cheeseburger or the chicken Big King with the fries and drink for just $3.99. Part of the King Deals menu, only at Burger King.
Nathan James, Vulture Team. We got what we expect.
Roger, Vulture Team.